Hey guys, spring is here and I am going to do a spring refresh to my front porch. So go ahead, grab your coffee or tea or whatever it is that you are choosing to drink. Sit back and relax. I have got a lot of work to do.
Be honest, I've been in my head. Reinforce my walls with all these hypotheticals. When it comes to you, no one really compares. But I'm scared and I'm nervous. I don't wanna.
I'm not even going to stick my wreath up here tonight. I need to do a lot of cleaning off this space. Sorry for the noise. I just wanted to share this and it's starting to rain, so I'm going to take my little new wreath and put it away until I can get back out here. I'm not sure when that will be. Okay, we're back out at the front porch. I think the other night it was too dark, so I've taken down much of the stuff that was here, but I think we're going to have to pressure wash because there is so much pollen that's here. So I'm waiting on hubby to decide whether it's something we can literally do by a little bit of muscle or if he needs to bring out the pressure washer. So my planters here, I'm going to keep them black this time. They will not be changing colors. They will not go to a blue that we can't stand. But and so what I'm going to do is just basically add some of those topiary balls into the planters, add my wreath to the door, place my chair back, and I have had another little topiary ball into a white planter. I think I'm going to go ahead and set that back. I need to go ahead and remove my little outlet that I had for Christmas, when I had the lights plugged in for Christmas. Although I think I do have some Easter lights, so I might need to see if I can put my hands on those quickly. This is going to be it's to start out as a quick little refresh, but I don't know, so stick around. I don't know if I'll be able to share with you the entire process, but at least you can see what it looks like when everything has been removed. These are the items that I have taken down, and I said this little topiary ball and a planter I will place back. I need to go and find my Easter rugs. I don't know if I have one for the colors that I'm using this year. It's just time has just slipped away from me, and I just didn't get it done. So hey, we're gonna go with what we have, and hopefully you guys will enjoy it. We decided to go with the pressure washing part of it, and of course hubby's gonna take the lead on that, and we're just mixing Clorox into the water. He was actually looking for some cleaner that he had, but we just decided to go with just using the Clorox and the water. I think it's still going to give us the same results. It's just the amount of pressure that you can apply with your water coming through. So, and looks like our pressure is going to be pretty good. Not sure what he's smelling for. Maybe the Clorox or cleaner, I don't know. But this is what we're doing. We're gonna clean this part up, and then I'll come back and decorate it a little bit later. But as you can see, I'm just using my topiary balls. I think I'm still gonna keep my chair, may add a different chair. And I did find a rug, a welcome rug here. So I may just use that until I find something else, but I don't know. I'll share with you guys on the reveal, so stay tuned as we get the front porch ready for a little spring refresh. Cheese. Okay, guys, I hope you have made it this far as it is reveal time. You see that beautiful wreath there? Yes, I am so happy of the turnout of that wreath. And I've shared that in a previous video. If you have not seen that, I will leave it in the iCards above. But it is absolutely gorgeous. So guys, what I'm going to do is bring you in for that closer look for that wreath. Beautiful. Use those two garlands of the dogwood garland, placed them around there, added in my bows and tails and extra picks, placed the little bunny there on the side. Once Easter's over, can remove the little bunny, add another flower, bow, or something else, or even just leave it as is. But this is absolutely beautiful. I am loving it. I'm loving it in this space. I'm going to bring your eyes down to my little welcome mat. I decided to use the mat that I had maybe last year, year before. So I'm just placing it on top of a little checkerboard my mat. I'm layering it here, giving that layered effect. And these are the little interchangeable mats. You can change out the inserts there. Next, I'm going to take your eyes over to my little topiary planner I have there. I've added some little egg picks and the little Easter lights. So as Easter's over, just remove those things and I still have a very beautiful, very inviting, very welcoming space as you walk up to my home. And this little sign here with the initial, I shared that in a recent haul from Temu. It's absolutely beautiful, and I just have it here on a little clip on the side there. So when you walk up, this is what you see. Welcome to our home. All right, guys, keep watching and enjoying. And guys, if you're new to my channel, I take this time to say I welcome you and I thank you so much for stopping by. If you want to be a part of, just make sure you hit that subscribe button and tap the notification bell so you're always notified of any uploads that are created on this channel. I would love for you all to go ahead now and give me that big old thumbs up. It lets YouTube know how much you appreciate the work. Now, I thought this throw was the perfect pop of color for this space. It looks a little two-tone from the camera here, or maybe it's just my eyes, but it's the very same color. And I don't know if it's the lighting of the camera or just the outdoor lighting, but it's a great pop of color. It just brings everything that I've placed out here. It just pulls it all in together, and it's just working so well together. I am very pleased of my turnout, of my refresh of my front porch for the spring of 2024. And for those of you guys that continue to show me so much love and support, I do take this time to say thanks. I thank you guys so, so very much. So continue to watch this space, and I hope that you can see all of the love that I poured into it. And again, a special thanks for hubby for giving that good old pressure washing and washing away some of that pollen that was here. All right, guys, leave me a comment in the comment section. Let me know what you think of my refresh.
It's the joy of the first steps of a child. It's the joy of your great grandmother's smile. We came a long way, but we ain't. It's the joy of the first steps of a child. It's the joy of your great grandmother's smile. We came a long way, but we ain't slowing down. We got a strong pace, no, we ain't losing ground.